Yes.
All
Yes.
right. Okay, so we just went over the chapter 8.3 PowerPoint. So as we know, moving average seems to be quite easy. So let's go ahead and practice this. All right, so then we can kind of familiarize with the example. Okay, so here I added this little extra little helper out for you, so then when you know when you do practice it at home that we're calculating to 4 decimal places when we're doing average costing. So just an FYI. All right,
Okay.
so let's go ahead and enter the transaction. So we're going to start here on May 5th. Okay, we purchased a
You
total of
purchased a, you purchased 1,000 units for $300.
mm-hmm,
Gives you 3,000. Rate
mm-hmm,
was $100.
mm-hmm,
3,100
mm-hmm.
and 3.1.
All right, so May 5th is our first where we're going to start off with. We got 1,000 items at $3. Excuse me, which gives us 3,000. Oopsies, $3,000. We had $100 worth of freight
Right.
to bring us up to $3,100. And now our cost per item is going to be
3.1.
$3.10. And then we can go ahead and transfer that over here. So 1,000 items at $3.10, which is going to leave us with $3,100. Okay, good. Now again, we do not need to color code this unless you want to. All right.
Well, I did buy the crayons.
Okay.
I have some colored pencils, but they weren't helping any.
No. All right, so what happened next?
Okay.
On 7 May, you sold 550 units.
Perfect. On the 7th of May, let me see, May 7th, we sold 550 units. How much does it cost to sell one item?
$3.10.
$3.10. So can someone go ahead and calculate that?
$1,005.
$1,005?
No, $705.
Yeah. All right.
Hold on. Too many people talked at once. What was it?
1705.
Okay, hold on. Okay, 1705. Okay,
Yes.
good. All right.
I saw this. I had something written down there. I just didn't say it.
Okay, okay. It was thrown out too quickly. So now that we established that we sold this amount, what is going to happen here?
You got to reduce the
You got reduced.
Yes, we're going to reduce it by 550. And what should our remaining balance be now?
450.
450. So this one,
Oh,
I'm going to go ahead and highlight this so then I know that this is now a calculation of mine. So I'm going to go ahead and color this one blue just so then I am able to recognize it as a calculation, okay? So here I started with 3,100. So what am I subtracting?
And minus 1705.
Minus 1705. And what do I get from that?
1395.
1395 is correct. And then now what is my average cost per item?
3.1.
3.1, which is $3.10. So here, what I can do is with this now that I know that I'm going to be constantly calculating this is where I was talking about, okay? What I can do here is I can go ahead and black this out. Reason being is because I no longer have that batch anymore. So I can get rid of it completely. And I don't know why it automatically assumes that I want to keep the font white. But no, I want it black. I guess it's not allowing me to make the font black. But on Excel, it's more forgiving. But yeah, I no longer have that 1,000. And it won't get rid of it for me. But what I can do is just ignore that. So I'm gonna black it out, and what's gonna happen is every time I enter in something new, I can go ahead and transfer it over because this is my new amount.
Need it.
We don't have 1,000 anymore. We have 450, and we've already calculated right here. So I can go ahead and transfer that over 1395. Okay. All right. So what is next now? I don't know why this won't allow me to just. All right. Anyways, so I just ignore those the white numbers, but they're not there anymore. Oh, maybe here. Let me try this. Okay. Let me try undoing this
Uh-huh.
and see if I am able to just scratch it out. Okay, so then I can highlight this and I'm going to scratch it out. Boom. I no longer have that amount anymore. Okay, there, good. Okay. I no longer have that amount anymore, and I've already calculated right here. So boom. All right.
Okay. On 10 May.
So the 10th of May,
50 units.
we purchased another 850 units at $3.25 each, and our freight was 75. So again,
75.
10 of May, we bought how much? 850 units at $3.25, and our freight was 75. So how much is this amount right here?
2760. 25.
2760.
25.
So 50? Is that everyone? Was
Yeah.
that what everyone else got? Andrea?
Oh, I'm redoing that because I didn't get that first. Oh, I got 26, wait a minute, that's gonna be right.
I got 27.62 and 50 cents.
So 2762 276
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what I got too.
Okay.
Yeah,
Plus $75.
50, right.
Okay.
I got that too.
2837.50.
Okay. So now I have this new amount. Am I going to calculate that?
Not yet.
No, not yet. So I am going to actually calculate this new amount here. So what is 450 plus 850?
13.
1,300. Good. And what is 283750 plus 1395?
4232.50.
4232.50. Okay. And then now, am I able to find my average cost per item?
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead and solve that.
3.2557.
Okay, you can either choose to round up right now because I said 4 decimals. So if you want to round up or round down, it is a 6 after the 7.
Yeah.
So round up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then again, now that we have a new entry, I don't have this anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and scratch that out. And I'm going to enter it right here because this is my new line of entry. So I have now 1,300 items. That's costing me $3.2558 and for a grand total of $42.32.50. Okay. Let me see, $42.32.50. All right. Okay. Now let's see what happened.
12 May.
Mm-hmm.
We sold 360 units.
360? Yes, 360 units at $10. So 12th of May. So 12th of May, right here. May 12th, I sold 360 units. So what number am I going to be using for the cost per item?
3.2558.
All right, now that I rounded to my 4 decimal places, so
1172.08.
okay, is that what everyone got? 1172.0. It's 0.088.
Yeah, 0.088.
So that's going to make it increase it up to 9.
Okay.
Okay. So then now what do we do here?
We go to the next entry. Or over there, we add the 360.
Do we add or
Oh,
subtract?
no,
We
subtract
subtract.
360,
Yeah, we're subtracting from
Mm-hmm.
18.
which will be 940.
Okay, so let me go highlight this and make it the blue.
And we
Okay.
minus the 1172.08 or oh 09, I'm sorry.
1172.09. And what do we get from here?
3060.42.
30, 60, 42? Are you sure
Yes.
42?
41.
Yeah, 41.
I got 41.
David, you see here we have 50 cents and you're subtracting 9 cents. Do you see that?
Yeah.
You forgot to change this 8 into a 9.
Okay.
Okay, you see how 10 or 0 minus 9,
Yes.
it's going to give you 1.
What I did is I didn't is over the other column I didn't I kept it at 8 or 8 instead of 9.
Yes.
Rounded up.
Yes.
So that's why my answer is different.
Yes. Okay. Go ahead and find the cost per the average cost per item.
3.2557.
Hold on. Hold on. 41. Divide this entire thing by 940. All right. So did everyone get that too? $3.2558.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I just got.
Okay, so so it stayed the same, and I just accidentally bubbled too much. So let me go ahead and unfill that. So here we no longer have this amount anymore. So we
No.
can go ahead and cross that out. And what we can do here is now we already have we calculated the updated amount. So 940 should be our calculation here. And 3.2558 is going to be here. And the total is here going to be 3060.41. Okay.
Yes.
So you see how much easier this is? We could go ahead and eliminate. We don't need to color code it. We don't need to make sure which batch is which. They're all the same.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. So now what happened next?
There
You
we are.
sold 15 May.
15, okay.
Mm-hmm.
You sold 600 units.
All right, we sold another 600 units on the 15th of May. So May 15. Hold on, I just want to make sure. Okay, 15 of May. Okay, so we sold another 600 units. And then we only have one number, and what number is that?
This is 32558.
That's correct. So let's go ahead and calculate that amount. 3.2558.
1953.48.
1953.48. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
195348.
Yes.
All right.
And then we're gonna reduce the 600 from the 940.
And we're going to get what?
600. You get $340.
That's correct. Here, we're going to take this number and we're going to subtract 1953.48. And what number do we get from here?
1106, 96.
1106. I didn't get 96.
I got 1106.93.
90. I got 93.
Yeah, I just got 93 too.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. All right, and I'm going to highlight this because it's my calculations. And I'm going to make
Yes.
it blue.
Okay.
All right. So now I need to find my new cost per item. And how do I do that?
Just a second.
3.4. No, 3.2557.
Yes, it dropped a thousandth of a penny.
Yeah.
Okay, it went 6.7. It went 6.76. So now it dropped a thousandth of a penny.
Oh, yeah, it sure did.
So we're going to take this and we're going to scratch it out now because we no longer have that. Instead, we have now 340 at 2.5, oopsies, 3.257, okay, at 1106,
Dude,
yes,
I got 3.556. Why did we do 7 instead of 6? I got 7
Rounded
after
up.
that. Oh,
Yeah, we
Rounded up.
rounded it, we're rounding up on the fourth one, yeah.
Oh, okay.
yes,
That makes sense.
yes,
Okay.
all right,
Mhm.
good, all right. Now what happened?
On the 20th of May, purchased 300 units
We
at
purchased
325
three,
and 350 for $20 per eight.
Perfect. So let me go ahead. What was the date on that again? It was on the 20th of May. Okay, so here.
Purchased 300 units at
So-
3.50.
Okay. We purchased
20 per eight.
300 at 350
20 per
and
eight.
20 freight. Okay. So, how much is this? What is my total purchase price?
1050.
Yes. Yes.
It's 1050? Not 1070.
1070 is the total cost.
Yes.
Oh, right.
That's with the freight added.
Yeah.
Yes, good, good, good. The total cost is 1070, yes.
Yes.
All right. Do we need to solve the cost per item now?
Not yet.
Not yet. We need to find the total amount of units here.
Yes.
All right.
And 340 and 300, 640.
640.
And
then
1106.93 plus 1070 is 76.96.
93.
Yeah, 21.
93.
Yes.
Okay. That damn rounding.
Yes. Okay, so 2176.93 is correct. So, what is going to be my new cost per item now? My new average cost per item.
I got 3.0415.
3.04.
Yes, 15.
Anybody got
That
anything
sound
else?
right?
I got 3.4014.
Yes. 3 point. You got 40 or 04?
Oh, no, 04.
Oh,
No, I got 34014.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. All right. So
that's,
David, did you get that too, or did you
That's what you
get
said, David?
04? He said 04.
I
Oh,
got 3.4015.
Okay, so there you go. Three, good. And because the
rounded
fifth,
it
yeah,
up.
the fifth
Yeah.
number, that's correct. So
Okay.
3.4015 is correct. So wow, we jumped a whole 2 cents or a whole 20 cents.
Mm.
Well, actually, well, it's actually 15. But we jumped
Yeah.
up a whole 15 cents because we added more cost to our inventory. So let me go ahead and cross this out because we no longer have that anymore. But because now we have 640 at 3.4015, and our new cost is going to be 2176.90. Oopsies, 93. Oopsies, 93.
9. Not 2, 3.
There you go,
Yeah.
93. Perfect. All right. Okay, so what
And
happened next?
22nd of May,
Mm-hmm.
you sold 450 units.
We sold 450 units. Okay, so yes, we have 640, so we definitely have 400. We have enough. So 22nd of May, we sold 450. At what amount?
3.4015.
Yes, we got to put the new amount in there. All right, so let's go ahead and calculate that.
1530.80.
I got 1530.68.
Yes.
yes, that's what I got.
153068. Yes, because it should be 675. So we're going to round that up. Okay, good. All right, and let's go ahead. What do we do next?
Okay, and then we add the
No,
200.
subtract.
Minus the 450.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we just sold it, so we have to subtract from the inventory.
The 450.
415, 600.
Where? Wait, hold on. Where are you? Hold on. Okay, so let's go ahead. So what is 640 minus 450?
Oh, 1090.
1090?
Yeah.
No,
Oh,
190.
no, 190.
Yeah, 190. That's correct. Okay, so this is another equation. So if I started with 216793 and I'm subtracting 153068, what is my new number here?
For $645.30.
What did you have?
I have 646 and 25.
I got 673, 25. Let me do it again.
Well,
Okay, huh?
everybody's got it different.
I know. So you guys calculate it, man.
Okay.
68.
Because
Okay.
I got 646.25.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, so now everyone got the same number. Okay,
Yeah.
64625. Okay, good. All right, and then now let's calculate our new average cost per item.
Should be 3.4013.
3.4013.
Yeah, that's what I got
Okay.
too.
Perfect. Good. So we no longer have this amount anymore, so we can cross that out. Because now we have a new entry for 190, costing us 34013, and it's going to be for 64625. Okay. All right, what happened next?
Okay, on 25 May,
Yep.
you purchased 650 units at $3.75
And $50 freight. Okay,
and
so
50 franc.
So
So
253.
hold up.
37.
525. We purchased 650 at $3.75 each. Our freight was $50. Okay, so oopsies, let me roll back up. So what is my what is my total purchase price?
2000, 2437.50.
Yeah,
Yes,
that's what I got.
2437.50. Okay. Okay, if I add
Plus
$50, mm-hmm,
2487.50.
that's correct. And do we need to calculate our cost per item?
Not yet.
Not yet. We need to put in a new line here for our
We need to,
calculations. Okay,
we need to add 646.25,
646.25. That's correct.
which gives you a total of 3133.75. That sound right?
Let's see. Well, uh, Lee, did you get that? Andrea, Portia, did you get? Oh, did you all get?
I got 31, 33, and 75 cents.
Good.
That's what I got, yeah.
Perfect. Okay, and then what is 190 plus 650?
840.
840. So here we can go ahead and eliminate this because we don't have it anymore.
No.
And we're going to transfer here 840 at, oh wait, we forgot to calculate the cost per item.
It'd be 3.7307.
0.7307.
7.
All right, perfect. So here we
Jumped up a
have,
bunch there.
yes, it jumped up a bunch. It jumped up about 30 cents here. Okay, for a grand total of 31, 33, and 75 cents. Okay, good. All right, now the last thing that happened was we sold on the 27th how many units?
740.
740 units. Okay, so on May 27, we sold 740 at how much?
3.7307.
Yes, so how much is that?
That is 27, 60, and 72 cents.
Yes,
Yes.
276072.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. All right. Now we're going to subtract that out.
Subtract.
Okay, so how much do we get?
100 left.
Yeah,
100.
that's exactly how much it says at the end of the period you need, or end of May. You're supposed to have 100 remaining. Okay. All right. So good. We did our calculations right, or at least we hope so. So what is the 3133.75 minus our 276072?
That is 373 and 3 cents.
Sorry, say it again. 373.03.
373.03. 03. You got it.
Oh. Hold on. 373.
0.03. 03.
There you go.
0.03.
Okay, perfect. And then, so we can already, as we can go ahead and calculate the cost per item here, it should be 3.7303.
Yep.
Okay, so here we can go ahead and eliminate that. And we can go ahead and transfer that. We have 100 units left at $3.73.03 at 373. Oopsies. 37303. So you see, if we look at our average costing, we can see that we started way up here at $3.10. Then we slowly increased it to $3.25. Then along the lines, we went to $3.40. And then along the lines, we made it all the way up to $3.73. You see? So, yay! See, that went by really quick. It was really easy. You only had to focus on one number. And the calculations is so much easier too, right? You don't need to worry about split payments or splitting up the cost, right? It's just one number. Okay? All we just have
The refund of my crayons.
You still would need them. If I were to quiz you on Perpetual LIFO, you're gonna have to use those crayons again. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Oh,
look
okay.
at different colored highlighters. I have a yellow one. I just have a yellow one.
All right. Don't worry. I will provide the forms for you. So do not be scared for the exam. Why are we even talking the exam? The exam is like 3 weeks from now.
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know. You brought it up, not me.
We have a quiz.
I mean, well, the quiz, most of the quizzes like that I'm going to be testing you, it's not going to be very intense math. I'm not going to throw this problem out there because the quiz is just to make sure that you're aware of your conceptual matters, not the free response, not the actual equation. It's just making sure that you understand what you're doing and what appropriate accounts you need to use when it comes to journalizing. That's all I really quiz you on. So those should be easy points for you. Okay. It's just more the exam. It's kind of testing your entire knowledge. Okay. So if I continue this problem, see, it's already 3:30. If I continue this, we'll probably be done by 4 o'clock. If we continue this problem, we can see that it says here on June 1st that we had, or May 31st, we should have had 100 items remaining on hand. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this information right here. And I'm going to go ahead and continue here on this bottom one. Now, what you can do is, if you really wanted to, you could have just continued straight here. But for the sake of this purpose, I just want to make sure that we keep it separate so we understand what's going on. Okay, so here I have 100 items at $3.73 starting out. Okay, so what happened first?
You purchased 800 units at $4 each.
Okay, and
For
freight
$1,000,
was
or for $100 freight.
okay, perfect. So now the first thing that we're going to recognize is we are actually increasing our inventory. So 6-1, okay, we're going to increase our inventory by 800 units at $4 each with $100 freight. So how much is this?
100 freight.
How much is your total purchase?
3,100. I mean, 3,300.
Yes, that's the total. My purchase price is how
I
much?
keep forgetting, yeah. Let me take the, what do you say, 75 for the?
3,200?
Oh, freight 100. So there's 2,300.
It's
3,200?
yeah, 3,200. Yes.
3,200, right.
Okay, and then we add the 100, and it's going to be 3,300.
Right.
Now, for here, obviously, I didn't post this extra information in. So what you can do is, if you are continuing, you can just take this extra line right here, all this extra information, copy it, and I'm going to go ahead and bring it down to this right here. So I have 100. What's 100 plus 800?
900.
900. Good. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this row to indicate that this is my new calculate. This is my calculation right here. So from here, I calculated I have 3,300. Now I need to add my $373.03. So how much is my new total cost?
36. So it's 3673.03.
3673.03. Yeah, sorry. Oops, 03. Okay. So, what is my new cost per item?
It's $4.081. Or 81.
Nothing behind it?
There's another one.
Oh, 1.
Yeah, one.
Okay, so 4.0811. Does that everyone get that?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So here I no
Yes.
longer have my 100 anymore. So I'm going to cross that out. Instead, now I have 900 at 40811, which is going to cost me 3673.03. Okay. All right, cool. Now let's see what happened next.
7. You sold 350.
We sold 350. All right. Here on June 7, we sold 350. So what number are we going to use here?
4.0811.
And can we do some calculations here?
1683.85.
Okay. Did everyone else get that same answer?
No, I got 14.
I got 14, 28, and 39.
14.28 and how many cents? 39 cents
Yes.
is correct.
Yeah.
Did you get that, Andrea?
Yeah, I just did it again.
Okay, so you
1428.385. So
Yes.
0.38.
39. Yes. Okay. Then wait, what's the next? Now what are we gonna do?
10 June.
Nope. We're not done yet.
Done yet.
Oh,
Minus 350
Okay, which gives us how much?
gives us 550.
That's correct. So let me go ahead and highlight this for our new calculation. Okay, so here we're gonna subtract 1428.39, and what are we gonna get?
22, 44, and 64 cents.
Right. Let's see if everyone else got that same answer.
yes.
Yep.
So 20. What was it? 22446.5.
64.
64. Okay.
64.
Perfect. 224464. Okay.
64.
Yes.
All right. So let's go ahead and
811. Or 12.
4. Did everyone get that? 40812. Okay. And we're gonna scratch that out. And we're gonna continue putting this forward. So 550 at 40812. And our new total is 224464. Oopsies, I put 61. 64. All right. Okay, good. Okay, so what else happened?
You purchased 750 units on 10 June.
Okay, so 10 June. So let me make sure I follow the correct line. So 610, I purchased 750 units at $4.25. And how much was my freight? $75.
75.
Okay. So what is my cost per item here? I'm sorry. What is my total purchase? What is my purchase price?
31, 87.50.
That is what I got. Okay, good. Plus 75.
It was 32.62.50.
That is correct. All right. And then, do we need to calculate the cost per item?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and add these two together. So what is 550 plus 750?
1,300.
Yes, 1,300. Now we got 1,300 units. And then what is 224464 plus this 3262.50?
5507.14.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, 5507.14.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the average cost per item now?
4.2347.
4.23. What did you say? 47?
47.
Did everyone get 47?
4, 6, 3.
Yeah, I got 4.2363.
Oh,
3. Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
okay.
Lee, did you get this number too? And Portia?
I had to redo mine because it went kind of off.
Okay.
My calculator. Yeah, 4.2362.
Perfect.
So how come you rounded yours to 3? Because the fifth
Because
number,
it's high,
2, 4. Oh yeah, right. The fifth
it's higher
number
than
is
a 5.
6.
Mm-hmm. It's
Yeah,
at the
no,
end.
I
Yeah.
thought it was a 2, but no, you're right.
Yeah.
My eyes, I see doubles.
Okay. So yeah, it went 626.
Mhm.
Okay. Andrea, did you get this number?
No.
Okay.
Oh, let me do this again. Oops. Okay, you got, 42362. I got
Yes. Okay. So
that. Okay.
42363. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So 2363 is our answer for 550714. All right. Okay, we're almost there, guys. We're halfway there. What happened next?
On 12 June,
Mhm.
sold 150 units.
Yes, on 12th of June, right here. So for 12, we sold 450 units at how much?
4.2363.
Yes.
Okay. 4.2363. So can you guys calculate that for me? What is this amount?
1906. No, no. Sorry.
Yes.
No, yeah.
1906.32.
Oh, okay. I don't
Yeah,
know why I thought
you
it
were
was
right.
wrong.
1906.
No, it's 1906.34.
Yes. So it should be
34?
it should be 335.
Yeah, which rounds to 34.
Yeah, 34.
Yeah, like Jabray said.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now let's go ahead and what do we do next?
Now we have to adjust our
We
inventory.
So what is 1300 minus 45?
850.
850 is correct. That's correct. And I'm gonna go ahead and make it blue. Okay, so here, 550714, subtract this 190634, and what do we get here?
3,680 cents. 3600.8.
Like that? And 80 cents?
Yes.
Yes, I got $3,600.80.
Perfect. Okay. Well, okay, so Andrea, did you get that as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I,
go ahead.
I was gonna say that I rounded that, or that, our cost, uh,
Oh, yeah, go ahead. If you want to solve it, go ahead.
4262, I'm sorry, 42362.
Yes, $4.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. 23,
362.
and it's 62 cents. So there we go. We lost a thousandth of a penny, or we reduced it to a thousandth of a penny. So it went down. So that's a good sign because when we sell it, we make more money. Okay, we get 1,000th of a penny more. Okay, so here we're gonna adjust it to be 8. Let me do this first. We no longer have 1,300 items. Okay, because we update it to 850 at 423.62, and then what was it for 3,680. Now, obviously, for this worksheet, because we're calculating it here and here and here, you don't even need to have this.
Right. 'Cause
You know
it's
what I
the
mean?
same.
Exactly. But I'm just doing it for safety measures so you can be able to make sure that where you are, because some people they don't like doing this part, so they just go straight into here and just subtract it. Okay, so remember like the other cases where we keep the middle portion clean, and if we sold something, then we just subtract it immediately out of here. So that is just one way of doing it. But in this case, I want to make sure that everyone understands what we're doing because I think this is the easiest way just to calculate everything. Okay? So what happened next? What happened on the 15th of June?
You sold 500 more units.
Yes, we did. So here, I'm gonna stay here. So on the 15th of June, we sold another 500 units, but this time we sold it for $4.23 and 62. So we get a thousandth of a penny. So if we sold 1,000, we would have earned $1. So go ahead and let's calculate that.
It comes to 2118.
4.2362 times. Is that what everyone else got?
2118.1. Yes.
Okay, so I lost my mouse. Okay, so here it is. 211810 is correct. Then we're going to subtract this 500. So how much remaining do we have?
300.
Oh, no, we have more than that. Wait, did we sell 500 or did we sell 580?
Yeah.
We sold 500.
Okay, so we have 180. I mean 380.
Oh, okay. 350.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Oh my god, did I say 380?
Yes.
Did I
but
say 380? Oh my gosh,
we
dear.
knew what you meant.
Yes. Yes, as you can tell, I'm getting super tired. So yes, yes, 380.
Well, sorry, it's a sentence that we knew.
Thank you. All right. So 363 or 3,600 minus 211810, and how much are we gonna get here?
1481.88.
Try that again, David. Look at the numbers here.
It's 1482.70.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay, let's make sure David gets that same answer here.
$1,181.90.
No. Okay, no, we're not adding.
Yeah, 1482.70.
So go ahead and so we're starting with 3,680 cents.
3,600 minus
Wait, 3,680 cents. Don't forget those cents.
minus 21.18.10. 1482.70.
Yes, there you go.
Yeah.
All right, and what is the cost per item now?
4.2362.
Okay, so the same thing. So 4.2363 because it's 2.8.
Yeah. Right.
Oh,
So
right, right.
dang it, we jumped up another thousandth of a penny. Okay, so here we're going to disregard this because we no longer have it, and we're just going to update our inventory to 350 at $4.2863 again for a total of 1482.70. Okay, so let's go see. So we're on the 15th. So let's see what happened on the 20th of June.
You purchased 600 units.
600 units at $405 with a $20 freight. So let me go ahead and write that in here. So 20th of June, we purchased 600 units at $405 and freight was $20.
So it was
2430.
$24.30,
total cost of 24.50.
$24.50. All right. And then what do we do now?
You got to adjust your inventory.
Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this blue right now. Okay, so what is 350 plus 600?
950.
950. And then what is 2450 plus our 1482.70?
39, 32, and 70 cents.
39, 32, and 70 cents. Did everyone else get that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Too.
Okay.
Yes.
And then what's my new cost per item now?
4.197. 4.1397.
Ooh, 7. Okay, 4. So I got 4.1397. Ooh, so it dropped really drastically. Well, 10 cents. Okay. I'm going to cross this out. And I'm going to indicate that I have now 950 items left for $4.1397 to give me a grand total of $39.32.70. All right, so what happened next on the 22nd of June?
22nd of June, you sold 250 units.
We sold 250 units. So 6/22, we sold 250 units at our new cost of what?
4.1397.
And what do we get here?
1,034.925.
Okay, 1,030.
34.93.
Hold
Yes.
on. Okay. Like that. 1034. Net, right?
Right.
Okay. Is that? Did everyone get that too?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Good. Okay. All right. So We need to update our inventory. Okay, so what is 950 minus 250?
$700.
We got 700 here. And what is 3932.70 minus our 1034.93?
2897.77.
Yes.
Okay, good. And what is our new cost per item?
4.13 1397.
So it stayed the same.
I got it.
Okay, good. Good. We're almost done. So let's keep pushing through, guys. We're almost done. Almost done. All right. So here we got our new inventory for $700. Still at the same price of $413.97, giving us a grand total of $28.97.77. All right, so I believe we got two more transactions. We got the 25th and the 27th. So let's go ahead and push through. So what happened on the 25th?
You purchased 350 units.
Mm-hmm. 350 units at $4.35, and our freight is $50. Okay, so here on June 25th,
Yes.
we purchased 350 at $4.35, and our freight was $50. So what is my purchase price now?
Purchase price is 1522. Oh, $1,522.50, and then the freight is 50. So that gives you $1,572.50.
Okay. 50 is the okay, so hold on. 5272.50, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
And 1572.50 with the freight.
Yes, I included it already.
Oh,
Yes.
Yeah, 1572.50.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. All
So
right.
now you gotta adjust your inventory.
Okay. So, what is 700 plus 350?
1,050.
1,050. What is my total cost here?
44.70 and 27 cents.
44.70 and 70. Oh wait,
No,
27 cents.
27.
Yeah. Okay. So 44.70 and 27 cents. Okay.
Right.
And then what is my cost per my average cost per item? It should jump
Four-
up.
Yeah, 4.2574.
Good.
Yes.
I no longer have that. I have a new inventory of 1050 at $4.25.474, and it's going to be for 4470.27. All right, good. So the last and but not least, okay, so let's go ahead. What happened on the 27th? We sold 550 units, and at the end of the day, we should have 500 units.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go ahead and calculate this. So on June 20, I'm sorry, June, not May, June 27, we sold a total of 550 units at $4.25.74.
Yes. And 23.41.57.
Yep.
23, say that again, 23.54.
41.57.
57. Oopsies. Too many dots. So 23.41,
57.
57. Okay, just my fingers they're cramping. All right, minus 550 gives us a grand total of. So we
500.
reached our total amount and we're a success because we got the correct answer. Okay, so we know that there's supposed to be at the end of June, you're supposed to have 500. So let's go ahead and actually calculate that amount. So what is 44770 27 minus 2341 and 57 cents.
21, 28, and 70 cents.
Yep.
20 2128.
And 7
Two. 70 cents, yeah.
All right, everyone got this answer?
Yes.
Okay, so what is my new cost per item?
4.2574.
Okay, so it stayed the same. So again, it's 2128.70. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this across here. 4.274 for a grand total of 2128.70. All right, see?
Yes.
Easy stuff.
Yeah,
Okay.
This is a lot easier.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's so much a lot easier. Yes. So good job, everybody. So you see, average costing is by far the easiest because one, you don't need to keep track of your inventory. Like you don't need to know what batch came first. You don't need to split your costs. You